Everyone dreams of a flat and toned stomach, but most people think it requires hours of intense workouts or expensive gym memberships. The truth is, your core can be transformed with just one powerful exercise. If done correctly and consistently, the stomach area stores stubborn fat, especially due to poor diet, stress, and lack of movement. But here's the good news. A single move can activate multiple abdominal muscles at once, helping you burn fat, tighten loose skin, and sculpt your midsection naturally. You don't need any fancy equipment, only commitment and the right technique. This exercise targets your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once, giving you that lean, toned, and strong look you've been dreaming of. With the right breathing and posture, it's not only effective for your core but also improves digestion and posture. So let's uncover the magic exercise that can help you achieve your flat stomach goals faster than ever. The plank is the most powerful and efficient exercise for tightening and flattening your stomach. It engages your entire core, from your rectus abdominis, the front abs, to your transverse abdominis, deep core muscles, along with your shoulders, legs, and glutes. When you hold a plank position, you force your muscles to stabilize your body, which builds strength and endurance in your midsection. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, planks don't strain your neck or back, making them safe and sustainable for long-term fitness. What makes the plank so effective is its ability to burn calories while strengthening your muscles at the same time. With consistency, even just 1 minute a day can make a visible difference in your stomach's shape and firmness. The best part? You can do it anywhere, at home, at work, or even outdoors. No excuses, just results. To get the best out of the plank, form is everything. Start by lying face down, then lift your body onto your elbows and toes, keeping your body straight from head to heels. Engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. Keep your neck neutral, your shoulders away from your ears, and your hips neither too high nor too low. Breathe deeply throughout the exercise. Never hold your breath. Start by holding the plank for 30 seconds, then gradually increase to 1 to 2 minutes as your strength improves. For extra challenge, try variations like side planks or forearm planks. Doing planks daily not only flattens your stomach, but also strengthens your back, reduces belly fat, and boosts metabolism. The key is consistency and control. Even one perfect plank a day can completely reshape your core. The plank is not just about appearance, it's about building a strong and healthy foundation. When you train your core with planks, you improve your posture, which helps you look taller and more confident. It also protects your spine, reduces the risk of lower back pain, and enhances balance and coordination. A stronger core supports every movement you make, from walking to lifting, making your everyday life easier. Moreover, planking boosts your overall body strength and flexibility, especially around the shoulders and hips. It even helps relieve stress by increasing blood circulation and promoting better breathing. Within a few weeks of doing planks daily, you'll notice better stability, improved digestion, and a more sculpted waistline. This one simple move can truly transform not just your stomach, but your whole lifestyle. If you're ready to take control of your fitness journey, try the 30-day plank challenge. Start with 20 to 30 seconds a day, and add 5 seconds daily until you reach 2 minutes. Combine it with a balanced diet, enough water, and good sleep for maximum results. The plank may seem simple, but its results are powerful. In just 1 month, you'll feel stronger, look slimmer, and stand taller. Remember, it's not about how long you hold the plank, it's about doing it right and doing it every day. Take this one exercise seriously, and your flat stomach dream can become a reality faster than you think. Ready to finally flatten your stomach without endless workouts? One exercise, the plank, can completely transform your body and boost your confidence in just a few minutes a day. Start your 30-day plank challenge today and watch your stomach tighten, tone, and transform. Flex biceps, backhand index pointing right. Subscribe for more fitness tips and daily motivation.